Hi guys, I'm Galen with GNR Diesel. So today we're going to be talking about our Billet Tappet covers. These are designed from a faulty factory product. The factory tappet cover leaks oil all the time. The gasket design is terrible. So we came up with this. This is one of our first products that we ever did. It was a billet cover with an O-ring seal. So the O-ring seal allows for a perfect seal that you don't have to worry about any oil leaks. One of the cool features that we added is the crankcase vent. This has a baffle in it to keep any of the oil from coming out of the engine and onto the ground. So another really cool feature on this is the cutout that we have here. This allows this single product to work on any of the 3 versions of the Cummins engine, from a VE pump to a P-Pump to a VP pump as well. So one product will fit all 3 of those applications. So like most of our products, this is all machined from billet 6061 aluminum. It does not rust, so you put it on your vehicle and it will last the lifetime of the vehicle. So if you guys want any more info on this, check us out on Facebook or Instagram, or go on our website. You can place an order there, or check out all our other products that we have.